Hello all. Today we'll discuss about the cybersecurity diploma course, also called Diploma in Information Security, otherwise Diploma in Cybersecurity. So, Diploma in Cybersecurity will be included all the subjects which is related to the security, like network security, web security, server security, network penetration tester security, web application penetration tester security. So here we have some supported subject, like Python will be the supported subject, and some other topics will be the supported subjects. So combination will be like CCNA plus ethical hacking plus NPT plus WAPT along with the Python, core Java, C programming. That will be the perfect combination for the industry. Then after, you can plan for the job in India as well as the abroad as a security analyst, as a security advisor, as a security expert, as a security advisor senior. So here basically these are the module CCNA 3.0, ethical hacking 10.0, NPT level 1 and level 2, WAPT level 1 and level 2, Python, that is Python programming 3.7 and 3.8. So you can plan your career accordingly. So this is the small information about the cyber security. Thank you and all the best.